So this is my 1997 SL500. I got some new headlights for it in this big box here. As you can see, these are nice and old and yellow, both of them. So I'm gonna be swapping those out today. So here are the new lights. There are no wiper lights, just regular standard lights, but they are brand new. I'll leave a link in the description where I got these. I got them from Classic Euro Parts, but they might be out of stock. I also grabbed these AMG style fog lights because mine don't have any. I'm gonna try to put these in as well. So yeah, I'm gonna start with the headlights just because it's easy and looks nice and fresh. I also got these corner lights too. So yeah, I'm gonna start on that. So I'm gonna start with removing this bezel right here. It's just a screw at the end here, Phillips. And there's supposed to be another screw here, but I never put it in because I knew I was gonna take these out anyway. These have wiper holes, and I got ones that don't have wiper holes. And put those in. So yeah, these come out. Then this just kind of pops out of the headlight. It's just it's just got clips on it. There's a little tab on the back here. Just push on it. This one broke, but there's a little tab on the back there. Just push on it, pops out. Then we got a couple 10mm here for the headlight. And then I think there's another one on the side here, and then the headlight should come out. Actually 8mm. One connector on the back, that's it. 3 bolts, all 8mm, headlights out. So as you can see, these headlights are a little bit different. This one doesn't have the bezel like this one does around it. Honestly, I think it looks cleaner without the bezel. It also doesn't have these little knobs right here because these are non-wiper headlights, which I also think is cleaner. I'm doing a wiper delete on mine. Only thing you gotta do is transfer the rubber on the top here, which is just on a couple of clips right there. So I'm gonna transfer the rubber to here, and I think these have bulbs in them. I'll double check, but I'm pretty sure they have bulbs in them already. So just swap over the rubber and put these in, and it should be good to go. So there we go, the rubber is on, and I did check, they do have bulbs in them. So after you swap the rubber, just put them in, put those 3 bolts back in, should be good. Now I take a fresh clear one. These don't have the bulbs, so you're gonna have to take the old one off, put it in. They have new metal clips and everything though, That's nice. So it looks like the plugs that came with these are Euro or something. So the plugs are different. One's got 2 prongs, one's got 3. 3 is the one I had. So I'm just gonna put the 3 plug back in and should work fine. So I don't know if you guys saw that, but I was pushing this side marker in and it popped off, chipped off the little corner right there. Yeah, it sucks. So be careful when you're putting these in. I don't know why it did that, but yeah, I chipped that little corner. It sucks. So before you put in the side marker, make sure you put this trim piece in. Mine's not painted currently, but I will get it painted. I'm just gonna put it in so it's not ugly. Maybe I'll just paint it black or something. So after you get everything installed, it should look something like this. Looks a lot better compared to the old ones. There's the old nasty ones. Much nicer. There you can really see the difference. Much nicer. So this side's all done. Gotta do that side now real quick, and I'll show you guys the final results. So there we go, this one's installed too now. This side went a lot smoother. I was really careful to not push too hard, and it didn't break any of the edges. So at least this side came out perfect. Now I'm gonna test, make sure all the lights work. So it looks like this turn signal bulb is out. But other than that, all the lights work. This is how it'll look with the lights on. Pretty much the bulb has 2 settings. One for turn signal and one just for light. But yeah, I think it looks a lot better than these old ones right here. Way better.